Hello Travellers, today we're taking a look at this here, which is an international power adapter from a company called Polarries. And what makes this one different from some of the other ones that I've reviewed recently is that this particular one has a 100-watt power output. So this plug here with a picture of a laptop on it, if you can see that there, this one outputs at 100 watts when you're using just that plug on its own. So that makes it great for more high-powered laptops if you want to use them for traveling. It does also have another USB-C port here, which has a picture of a tablet on it. And that one also has a high output. I believe that one is 65 watts. I'll have to put it up on the screen. And then it has a combined 15-watt output for the two standard USB ports there. In addition to that, you can also use the plug on the top. So you can use 4 powered devices here while also plugging in another one and charging it at the top. Now, similar to other devices that I've looked at, this has an auto resetting fuse. You can use more high wattage or powered devices like hair dryers and stuff without worrying about it blowing the fuse, because it would just reset it and then you can use it again. So it does have the standard plugs as well. You can use this one in Europe and the UK here, and then the US. Oh, this is Australia, and then you just flip those straight, and then that's the US and several other countries. So a really nice power adapter here, and I'll just quickly compare it to my other current power adapter. So this is it compared to the standard power adapter that I usually use. This one is from Zendure. Now this one has 61 or 65 watts. I can't quite remember, but it is slightly smaller for that reason. So it has slightly less output, but it is also still very usable in the same way. They do have similar construction, although this one has the USB port on the side here. They are also both sort of transparent, which I like, that kind of retro vibe. Very cool. This one also does have more USB-C ports, whereas this one has 2 USB-C and 2 A. So I guess if you were charging more USB-C based devices, this one might still be the better buy for you. But if you're charging higher power devices, then this is definitely one to check out. In terms of weight, they actually feel pretty similar. And in terms of size, obviously they are very similar as well. But again, this is the slightly smaller one. One other final thing I'll mention about the Polarries is that in the box, you actually get this really nice little carry case, sort of like a hard case. And it has an included USB-C cable. So that's a USB-C to USB-C cable, which is very handy for charging the higher powered devices. You can see there it actually says 240 watts on the actual cable, so it's a higher powered output cable. So really nice that they include that in the box. I'll give the links in the description if you do want to go ahead and check this one out. It will be on, I think it's Indiegogo or Kickstarter, and you can go ahead and support them if you are interested in picking one of these up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.